Nifty and Sensex closed higher with gains driven by auto and pharma stocks. Alembic Pharmaceuticals got US FDA approval for its bromphenic ophthalmic solution 0.07%. Equity mutual fund inflows surged 17% to Rs 40,608.19 crore in June. Bunel Wire Industries is set for a strong debut on July 10 after its IPO was oversubscribed by 59.57 times. States need to nearly double their growth rates to reach $1 trillion economy as per Moneycontrol. Tata Motors cut prices on SUVs after hitting 2 million sales in India. Investors are increasingly using Singapore exchange for rupees or dollar currency future due to RBI restrictions. Let's take a deeper look into the top developments today. Nifty and Sensex closed higher today, driven by a surge in auto and pharma stocks. Sensex rose 0.49% to 80,351 and Nifty climbed 0.46% to 24,433. IT stocks were subdued ahead of TCS Q1 result on July 11. Mid-cap and small-cap indexes slightly underperformed with gains of 0.3% and 0.2% respectively. Mid-caps have risen 2% and small-caps 3.32% since July started. Alembic Pharmaceuticals have received US FDA approval for its generic bromphenic ophthalmic solution 0.07%, post-operative inflammation and pain after cataract surgery. The approved ANDA is equivalent to Bausch & Lomb's Prolens ophthalmic solution. The market size for this drug is estimated at $168 million for the 12-month ending March 2024, according to IQVIA data. Inflows into equity mutual funds surged 17% to Rs 40,608.19 crore in June, reaching a new high, according to AMFI data. This follows an 83.42% increase to Rs 34.697 crore in May. Mutual fund AUM rose to Rs 61.16 lakh crore, surpassing the Rs 60 lakh crore mark for the first time. Debt mutual funds saw net outflows of Rs 1,07,357.62 crore, with overall open-ended mutual funds experiencing net outflows of Rs 43,108.8 crore. Equity fund inflows have remained positive for 40 consecutive months. Bunel Wire Industries is set for a strong debut on July 10 following exceptional demand across all investor categories during its IPO, which was oversubscribed by a remarkable 59.57 times. Priced at Rs 256 per share, the stock is anticipated to open with a significant premium of around 30%, potentially listing between Rs 330 and Rs 340 per share. This reflects robust investor confidence in the company's prospects. According to a Moneycontrol analysis, India's states must nearly double their historical growth rates to reach a $1 trillion economy target. Uttar Pradesh, aiming for this goal by FY28 through public-private partnerships, need to grow by about 50% over the next 4 years. The government's FY25 budget expects modest growth of 5.8% compared to 4.6% in FY24. UP's economy is projected to approach $300 billion in FY25, having grown at 9.9% annually over a past decade and 12.6% post-pandemic. Tata Motors has announced price reduction on its popular SUVs as it celebrates selling over 2 million units in India. Models like the Safari, Harrier, Nexon, Punch and iconic names such as the Sierra and Safari have contributed to this milestone. These SUVs are known for their safety, design and technology, meeting customers' expectations. The Harrier now starts at Rs 14.99 lakhs and the Safari at Rs 15.49 lakhs, with benefits up to 1.4 lakhs on select variants. Investors are increasingly turning to Singapore exchange for rupees or dollar currency future amid restriction by the Reserve Bank of India on local trading. The RBI's revised rules effective January mandate foreign exchange exposure for transactions in exchange-traded rupees derivatives, aligning with Foreign Exchange Management Act regulations that limit such derivatives to hedging purposes.